Welcome back to Weekends in My Garage. Today we're going to take a first look at Anker's Solix F3800, the latest in power portable stations. I purchased two of these units for the purposes of providing instant home power backup, because you just never know. The systems may go down. You want to be able to have seamless backup. In addition to seamless backup, we wanted to be able to have the portability, be able to take this device out of the house, put it in the back of our SUV, go somewhere and set up and have all the electricity we need to power a campsite or anything of that sort. Here are the technical specs for the Anker Solix F3800 portable power station. As you can see, it is feature-packed and a very powerful unit. We look forward to seeing how this powers our house in the next couple of weeks when it gets installed. Included in our purchase was the Smart Home Power Kit, which has the home panel, which is the brains of the operation. This connects to a separate panel, a separate dedicated panel that will manage 12 circuits that will be flipped on whenever there's a power outage. It comes with an antenna because it's also Wi-Fi enabled, so you can monitor the entire system through the Anker application on your phone. We also purchased a 400-watt portable solar panel. This installation requires a licensed electrician. Check back in a couple weeks. We should have everything installed. I will have a new video explaining the installation, what was involved. So don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell. Thank you.